Hi. In this lesson we will talk about filter function, and we are going to cover three different scenarios. The first one, to use a filter with only one condition, filter function. The second is how to use a filter with more than one condition. And the third is how to use a filter function to return a part of your data. So let's start. In this file we have 741 staff members. They are distributed in some building and other department and work in different staffs. Let's say in another sheet, I need to create a list of building here. So once I select a building, data from the table will generated based on the selected building. To help me work easy with the filter function between sheets, I'm going to convert this range into a table using Ctrl T from the keyboard. For the people who don't like the shortcuts, they can use insert table from the keyboard. Now my table has a name. The name is table 1. I can change the name to any other name, let's say stuff data, and I have to hit enter from the keyboard. Now let's create a list of the different buildings here. In another sheet, I'm going to make the different lists I'm going to use. So I will display the unique is a spell formula only available in Office 365 and 2021. I'm going to refer to my table, which is staff data. If I open a square brackets, I can select part of my data. In this case, I need the building. I have to close the square brackets manually before hit enter. So we have 6 buildings. So in this cell here in B1, I'm going to use data validation to display a list based on the result of unit. Now I can use filter function by referring to my table, then the condition. In this case, my condition is I need to check if the staff data building is equal to my selected building. So now if I hit enter, all the people from the West building will be displayed. If I need to include the header of my table, I can use the table name, which is a staff data, square brackets, hash, headers, to automatically display my table header. Now if I select a different building, result will change based on my selection. This is the basic filter statement. What if I need to use more than one condition? Let's say I need to display people based on 2 conditions. To do so, we need to use logical and logical or. In filter, we don't have and, we don't have or. If I need and, I have to use asterisk, and if I need or, I have to use plus. So if you need to write down one information, you have to remember that in filter function, and is asterisk and or is plus. In the basic filter, we have the condition directly in my formula. So if you look here, staff data building equal B1 is my condition. It means go to the table of staff data, return any result if the building is equal to B1. If I have more than one condition, each condition must have its own text. So I need to enclose the first condition. So now this is the first condition. I need to apply the both condition. I need to apply main and department. So I'm going to use asterisk and start another condition. In this case, I need to check if the staff data department is equal to B2. Of course, I got an error. I close the second condition, then I close the filter because right now I don't have any department here. Let's create another list by trying to find the unique department in my table. Now I can use the data validation to create a list based on my unique result. Now once I select any building, only people from the main building working in the admin training will be displayed. If I go to another building, another department, now you can see the result is automatically updated based on my selection. What if I don't need all this result? Let's say, yes, I need to display people based on the building. I copy and paste it here. It will come automatically with the same validation. I need to display the people, name, ID, salary only. I don't need the whole data from my table. In this case, we need to use a choose. A choose can return one information from a series of information. So if I choose one from table, my table name is staff data, employee name, what I need name, comma, staff data, ID, comma, staff data, salary. Now I have three information to choose: staff name, staff ID, staff salary. But I select to display only the first one, which is the name. If I need to tell it choose to display more than one result, I have to use curly brackets. So I need to choose to display information number 1, 2, 3. Then I have to close the curly brackets. So in this case, to return the name, the ID, and the salary. So here we have the whole data, no filter. So what I'm going to filter is the choose statement. So I'm going to filter the result of a choose statement by checking if the staff data, which is my table name, building, is equal to B1. I need to close the filter statement. Now, what I have here is only the people from the Taft building. Now it is the people from the South, and so on. So we enclose choose, or we nested the choose function as the table reference inside my filter function. Thank you.